Hey there, looking to switch up your Fortnite language settings? No worries at all. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to change the default language in Fortnite. Let's dive right into it. First things first, go ahead and launch Fortnite from your computer. After that, locate and click on your profile icon. Next up, hit the settings icon you'll find right here. Now, select settings from the menu that pops up. Once you're in the settings, make sure to switch over to the game tab. Then navigate to the language and region section where you'll spot the language option. Hover over it and give that arrow button a click to make the change. Once you've made the language switch, don't forget to click on apply. Follow it up by clicking on confirm. Now your language settings will be successfully updated. But hold on, to apply changes to all game settings, simply restart Fortnite. And that's how you change your default language on Fortnite. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.